Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I did a poll on my Instagram and I wanted to know which look you guys wanted to see. I had two pictures of Kim K. One was a blue smoky eye and one was this beautiful, glowy, bronzy, brown look. And I think they were both from her campaign and everyone voted for this look. So make sure you guys keep on watching so you guys can learn how to get this look. And please don't mind my eye in the video. It's going to be a little bloodshot just because it's a little irritated. I am not high. So, yeah. I did have a drink though, but I don't get bloodshot eyes, so we're good. Hi guys, so let's get this tutorial started. I'm going to be using Soft Ochre Paint Pot from MAC Cosmetics. I'm going to be spraying this on my left and right eyelid. And I'm going to be covering everything just so the eyeshadows blend perfectly. Okay, next up, out of the Sephora Pro palette, I'm going to be using this transition color. It is a light brown with hints of orange in it. I really wanted to have the warmth come through the crease, so I'm using this eyeshadow as my transition color. I'm going to be looking down at the reference picture just so I can keep getting an idea of the shape and everything. Now I'm going to build that same exact color a little bit more. I'm using a blending brush. It's from Morphe. You guys can use any blending brush that you like. I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other eye. All about layering, so I'm really just using the same color and adding depth to it. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush, also from Morphe, with no additional product. There's no product on here. And I'm going to be blending out any harsh lines or anywhere that I just want an extra blend. Now I'm going to be taking this yellow color also out of the Sephora palette and really put it on the inner corner. This is going to help get a true gold shimmer that in the reference picture. So I'm going to lay this down as kind of a base. And now, as you can see, I'm going to take this beautiful golden shimmer. I believe it's from Jessie's Girl. And I'm just going to lay this down. It's a beautiful yellow gold, which is what was in the picture. Just going to lay that all in the inside of my eyelid. Really helps open up the eye. And then I'm going to take a little bit of a highlight color, so a very light shimmery color, and just put it right on the ball of my eye, just to give it a nice highlighted look.
Okay, next I'm going to take this pencil brush, and I'm taking a very warm, dark reddish brown color, also out of the Sephora palette. And I'm really going to kind of follow my crease first. So I'm going to place the color there. And then after I like where it is, I'm going to blend it. And now I'm taking a little bit of that color on this small blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. Now that I took my little sip, I'm going to be adding a little bit more of this dark color right at the outer corner just to make it a little darker. And in the reference picture, she really wings out and smokes out the end, so I'm going to really pull out and bring out that brown color. Kind of like a shape of a wing. This helps elongate the eyes also. And now I'm just going to blend a little bit more in the crease, just so we don't have any harsh lines. And now I'm going to add Now I'm going to add more of a shimmer into the inner corner, just to really open up that eye even more. I'm using the same thing I used on the ball of my eye. And now I'm going to go in with a dark brown eyeliner. This one's from NYX. It's a Kajal pen, so it's really, really easy to blend. Any kind of soft eyeliner would work for this. I like the brown approach, it goes with the whole look, but you can also use black if you like. Next up, I'm going to smoke this eyeliner out with a dark brown color from the same palette. This is the color I use on the outside to wing out the top. I'm going to use that on the bottom. I'm going to really smudge that in. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush that's tiny and really blend that out a little bit more. And now I'm going to use a shimmery brown color from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And help tone it out and it looks all blended. Now I'm going to use the NYX gel eyeliner. And I'm going to line the top of my lids. This doesn't have to be neat, you just have to make it very close to your lash line. It just helps make the band of the eyelash disappear. Now my favorite part, I'm going to use these beautiful mink lashes. Bam! Power of editing. Just going to add a little bit of mascara. Now you're going to see my eye is very irritated because I poked myself by accident, so ignore that. Now we're going to use the Fenty Gloss Bomb, which I'm still obsessed with. This is the perfect color for this look. Gives it a nice plump look. And now I'm going to use Give Me Sun from MAC. I love this highlighter. Just going to highlight the cheekbones. It's a really beautiful bronze color.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. If you guys have any other questions or if you want to know all the products, they're all going to be listed down below. Until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Mwah.